So how do you stop the noise on your LinkedIn newsfeed? And let's be honest, there's always lots of noise on there. Now, there are three levels that you can really think about. There's what I would call somebody that when they sneeze, you want to know about it. These are the people that are good clients of yours, good introducers of yours, somebody that's maybe a prospect, maybe somebody in the firm that if you want to know is talking, that you want to be on there and commenting. Make sure you're at least following them and have gone onto their profile and pressed their bell, clicked their bell. That means that every time they post, it will appear in your newsfeed. Now, then there are people that maybe you're not as bothered, so you just make sure you're following them. And in this case, if you've commented on their stuff, you're going to see it for a bit longer until you stop commenting on it. Now, there's always going to be people in the newsfeed that actually you're connected to for various reasons. But do you actually want to see everything? Then unfollow them. You're not going to see them in their newsfeed. It's absolutely fine. So these are these three levels. Who do you really want to know about? Click their bell. And I was, prospects, good introducers, key members of the firm, make sure you click their bell. Anybody on your networking strategy you want to stay in front of, click their bell. Anybody that you quite enjoy their news feed, you want to sort of get to know them a bit more, but they're not up to clicking the bell, then leave them as a follower. Anyone that bores you, maybe triggers you, unfollow them. You don't need to see their stuff. And with that kind of philosophy, what you can do is really curate your feed down to just the people you want to hear from.